Alright, I just want to make a quick video here. Recently, my Energetic Armament VOX S with Dead Air Omega Keymo adapter experienced a baffle strike on my 6.5 Grendel here. The outer collar had come unlocked while the inner lugs were still engaged. The can drooped, got a baffle strike, and it blew the can about 30 feet downrange and stripped off the inner lugs of the Keymo. I that day replaced the Keymo adapter from my local gun store, but now I'm all sketched out when it comes to attaching the cans to the can to different suppressor hosts. So what I've got going on is I've got Sons of Liberty Gunworks Knox, 4 Controls Design 6310 KM, JMac 4C, and JMac something or other open tine Keymo adapter. So go to install, ratchet it down, and at this point the can, I wouldn't call that tight, right? Get one ratcheting click before I can no longer move it anymore. I'll put the phone down for a second, change hosts. So that was the Knox. Here is the 4 Controls Design. So again, unlocked. Can only manage one ratcheting click out of it before it's good and tight on there. Okay, we'll move to the next JMac. JMac 4C. So can's loose. One click when it's really on there. Can't manage anymore. Remove it and move to the next JMac. Right, and the final JMac. So you one click there. Can't manage to get another one. So my concern is that there is a machining error in the QD mount itself, where it's not allowing it to tighten down any farther past that. If anybody has any ideas, let me know.